Hello and welcome. My name is Paul Stacy and I am the Telematics R&D Director for LexisNexis Risk Solutions. Today I'm interviewing Steve Kerrigan from the Co-operative Insurance. Steve is Head of Telematics and has been with the group for the last 7 years. So, Steve, thanks for coming in today. 4 years ago, the Co-operative launched a telematics product in the UK called Young Driver. Before we start, can you talk a little bit about the Co-operative?
Sure, Paul. The cooperative was founded in 1844, with the insurance being established nearly 150 years ago. We are based in Manchester, England, and today we carry over 600,000 motor policies, which equates to about $370 million in written premium. Due to young drivers in the UK struggling to get affordable motor insurance, back in 2011 we filled this market need by launching Young Driver Insurance, the first young driver, pay how you drive behavioural product in the UK. We could not have launched such an innovative and market-leading product without LexisNexis.
Tell us a little bit about what the Co-op has achieved in UBI.
We have implemented many rating enhancements following our learning from UBI. We have also introduced online driver behaviour training based on young driver scoring factors, including speed, acceleration, braking and cornering. We have seen high customer usage of their online driver portal, with 84% of customers accessing their portal every month. This behaviour and customer engagement has not been seen in motor insurance before.
So Steve, what impact has UBI had on Co-operative's business?
It has proven the power of driving behaviour against risk detection and claims prediction. The better the score, the better the loss ratio. Loss ratios have generally been positive, largely due to self-selection, reduced fraud as we collect documents required at installation stage, and better risk assessment. We adjust premiums every 90 days. We have changed our approach to renewals as we know our customer more than ever. There is good renewal retention and also good attrition. You still can't leave your traditional underwriting behind you though. Some of the young driver book has been cleaned up due to loss-making business, with traditional factors being amended.
Have you seen any evidence that your UBI product Young Driver has actually changed behaviours of young drivers?
Yes, as an example, we found a 30% reduction in speed events when customers are told about a speeding event versus when they are not, and 98% of young drivers have never had an extreme speeding event. Over 80% of customers receive a driving discount, and since 2011 we've given back nearly $12 million to our young drivers in their first year with us due to good driving behaviour.
Now that UBI is becoming more mainstream, what challenges does the Co-op face?
The cost of hardwired devices has been a challenge, and whilst these costs are coming down and the cost of data is reducing, it is still a challenge for a mass market product, given the price pinch point for a non-young driver when they can source non-UBI for a similar premium elsewhere. The insurance cycle has an influence on UBI. When premiums are low, there is less margin to give competitive products. When the market is high, it's much easier to do so. The market is now maturing, which in turn dampers down the self-selection element effect on young drivers, so we need to use data more in the claims process.
Steve, so tell us, why did you pick our solution to help solve your problems?
LexisNexis are proven in delivering driving apps and importantly making continuous improvements on accuracy, scoring and battery usage. LexisNexis has the market insights to stay ahead of the game, and with our strong working relationship, this was the right choice for us. For the customer, these days most people own a smartphone. Most people accept location services if it's of a benefit to them. This also takes away the hassle of having something fixed to their motor vehicle. Insurance can offer this benefit in reducing premiums and rewarding good driving behaviour, along with other services linked to driving location and other rewards linked to where you drive, from geotagging for things like food store offers or treats. Here is the Young Driver smartphone app, which is available on Android and Apple. As you can see on the screen, we display an overall driving score and each of the score's component parameters. Here is an example of a selected journey, highlighting the route taken, start-stop times and distance travelled. The chevrons at the bottom of the screen indicates how well the driver achieved in each of the component parameters. This screen shows a zoom in on the journey and highlights the location of some events such as dangerous braking and speeding. By clicking on the pin, details of the event are displayed. To maintain user confidence, robust filtering, data validation, and accurate road speed limits are essential in our experience.
What are the different ways the cooperative use a smartphone-only solution?
Currently, the Young Driver app is used as a try before you buy marketing tool, but our intention is to make this part of the Young Driver products and also part of mass market propositions. This is a cheaper solution to hardwired devices, not only for mass market, but also when the customer changes their vehicle on a hardwired device product. Why pay the higher cost again when you already know your driver? The app is also an easy accessible portal for existing customers to access their driving portal, locate policy documents, upload any documents we need to see, such as driving license. We will also look to use the app for cross-sell offers and services around where and how you drive.
So, how has the use of this solution impacted the cooperative's business?
Initially, Young Driver had a high co-operating ratio. Costs have been reduced over time, and our experience has led to developments and improvements which will prove that UBI can be profitable. UBI is now seen as an integral part of the cooperative insurance strategy as we look to achieve ambitious growth plans over the next few years. Apps are seen as a low-cost solution within this model.
Steve, thanks so much for your time today.